Namaste, dear students of class 9. I am Tumpuri Shrivani from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's BHL RC Puram, Hyderabad. I am in front of you to discuss English language model paper, children. Very soon you are going to appear for first term assessment. And I want you all to understand the model paper so that it will help you in your preparation. So let me quickly share my screen. So children, traditionally you have been preparing for term assessments for 80 marks, right? And you're going to continue the same tradition. First term assessment is for 80 marks this time also. And the question paper is divided into 3 sections. That is section A, section B, and section C. Section A consists of 2 questions. Both of them are unseen comprehension passages. Each comprehension passage carries 10 marks. Okay, so section A carries totally 20 marks. Now, the major difference this year is, children, that each comprehension passage has 12 multiple choice questions. Earlier, you used to write question answers, children. Based on each passage, question answers were given and you used to write those question answers. But this year, there will be 12 multiple choice questions, out of which you have to attempt 10. And each passage carries 10 marks. Okay. Now coming to section B, this is based on writing and grammar. Children, question number 3, you will have you will have 2 questions on diary entry. Internal choice will be there. You have to pick one and write, which carries 5 marks. Question number 4, there will be internal choice on informal letter. Okay, and you have to pick one and write, which again carries 5 marks. And rubrics is like this, children. Content will carry 3 marks, fluency 1 mark, and accuracy 1 mark. So it is very easy for you to score marks here, children, if you are thorough with the format, diary entry format and informal letter format, and the content. If you are thorough, easily you can score 10 marks here. Now coming to question number 5, children, choose the right word from the given options. So filling the blanks will be given, children. One paragraph will be given in which some blanks will be there and there will be some options given. You have to pick the right option and put it in those blanks. Okay, this question you are aware of, children. This carries 5 marks. And 6th question is edit the passage. Here, children, edit the passage question, what you have to do is, one letter will be missing and you have to identify which letter is missing and you have to write the missing word, right? You have to write the word which comes before it and the word which comes after it. Okay, so that is your edit the passage. Then the entire B section consists of 20 marks, children. Earlier this was for 30 marks, but this year it is going to be for 20 marks. Okay, now coming to third section, that is section C. This is very, very important, children, and this is based on literature. Earlier this section was for 30 marks, but this year it is for 40 marks. That means the weightage is increased for this section. Okay, now question number 7, children, is reference to context. Okay, and the question will be based on prose. Okay, usually reference to context was given based on poetry. Question number 7, the question will be based on prose. 2 questions will be given and they will have 5 multiple choice questions. Okay, and out of 2 questions you have to write one. Similarly, 8th question also will have 2 reference to context, which will be based on poetry, and they will have 5 multiple choice questions, and each question number 7 and question number 8 will carry 5 marks each. Now coming to question number 9, children, you have to answer any 4 questions and each question carries 2 marks. Okay, so you have to write 4 questions and each question will have at least 20 to 30 words. Okay, so this 9th question carries 8 marks. Now coming to question number 10, again there will be 6 questions, out of which you have to write any 4 questions. Okay, so 3 into 4 is 12 marks. Each question is 3 marks. You have to write 4 questions, which again carries 12 marks. Okay, so this question should have at least 40 to 50 words. Now here you have to remember one important point, children. Now this question carries 3 marks, so the answer should have at least more than 3 sentences. It's very important. You cannot write just one sentence and expect 3 marks, right? So at least 3 or more than 3 sentences should be written. Similarly, question number 9, children, 2 sentences or more than 2, or should have at least 30 words in it. Then only you will get those 2 marks, and here you will get 3 marks. Now coming to question number 11, answer any one of the following questions in 100 to 120 words. So question number 11 will have 2 questions again, and you have to pick one and write, which carries 5 marks. It is the same with 12th question, 2, children, where 2 questions will be given, out of which you have to pick one and write in 100 to 120 words, which again carries 5 marks. So children, you have to be thorough with your Beehive and Moments. Both the books you have to be thorough. Okay, read every lesson word by word. Be thorough with vocabulary. Be thorough with the names of poets and names of authors. It's extremely important, children. You should not miss on anything, sorry. You should not miss on anything. Please be prepared with literature part, and blindly you can score 40 marks, children. Happily you can score this very easily. Okay, so this is your model question paper, children. This is what I wanted to discuss with you, and I end the session here, children. Thanks a lot for your patient listening. Thank you. Thanks a lot.